In crafting informational texts, the strategic selection of words is crucial. By understanding and utilizing connotations, incorporating figurative language like metaphors, similes, and personification, and choosing words for clarity and impact, writers can enhance both the readability and persuasiveness of their work. As with any skill, mastering word choice takes practice and attention to detail. However, the payoff is substantial. Well-chosen words not only convey information effectively but also enrich the reader's experience, making the message both clear and compelling. Understanding connotations. Words carry not just dictionary definitions or denotations, but also connotations. Those are the feelings and associations that words evoke beyond their literal meanings. For instance, describing a business leader as a tyrant versus a taskmaster can invoke vastly different emotional responses from the reader. The former suggests cruelty and oppression, while the latter, though strict, doesn't necessarily carry the same negative weight. Effective writers consider these nuances to shape the reader's perception subtly but powerfully. The role of figurative language. Figurative language, which includes tools like metaphors, similes, and personification, serves as the spice rack in the kitchen of writing. A well-placed metaphor can transform a mundane idea into a vivid image that sticks in the mind of the reader. For example, saying, "Inflation is a silent thief," is more impactful than merely stating, "Inflation reduces purchasing power." It personifies inflation in a way that highlights its detrimental effects, making the concept more relatable and memorable. Similes, by comparing two different things using like or as, also enhance understanding through familiar references. Saying, "Navigating the new software was like trying to read a map in the dark," instantly conveys the challenges faced, leveraging the reader's past experiences to describe a new situation. Personification, giving human characteristics to inanimate objects or abstract ideas, can animate descriptions and make the text more engaging. For instance, "The sun smiled down on the festival," adds a cheerful, warm ambiance to the scene, suggesting a favorable and welcoming environment. Choosing words for clarity and impact. The primary goal of informational text is to educate. Therefore, clarity is paramount. Writers must choose words that are precise and unambiguous. Technical terms should be defined. Jargon should be limited or avoided unless the audience is familiar with it. For example, a medical text might use myocardial infarction among professionals but heart attack in patient education materials to ensure understanding. Moreover, the impact of a message can often hinge on word choice. Strong, active verbs can energize a text and help maintain reader interest. Compare, "The manager implemented the changes," with "The manager executed the changes." Executed conveys a sense of immediacy and decisiveness that implemented may lack. Conclusion. In crafting informational texts, the strategic selection of words is crucial. By understanding and utilizing connotations, incorporating figurative language like metaphors, similes, and personification, and choosing words for clarity and impact, writers can enhance both the readability and persuasiveness of their work. As with any skill, mastering word choice takes practice and attention to detail. However, the payoff is substantial. Well-chosen words not only convey information effectively but also enrich the reader's experience, making the message both clear and compelling. This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. Subscribe to be notified when new videos are posted. Adult education instructional materials available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.